Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The question is from high school math in Vietnam. So now I will show you how to answer. Before we doing integration, we need to concentrate about this one. Now I will go this one first. So we know that we have the formula. That's about sine of A minus B equal to sine A cosine B minus cosine A sine B. So for this one, you will got about sine S cosine B over 4 minus cosine S sine B over 4. And we know that cosine B over 4, that's about the square root of number 2 over 2. Similar for this one, this is about square root of number 2 over 2. So this is the first step. Now let's go to the next one. We know that sin2x, that's about 2 sine S cosine S, and we go back to this way in here. So number 2 multiplied by number 1 and sine S cosine S. So in number 2 we can put into 1 plus 1. Now about sin2x, that's about this one. Number 1, that's about sine S square plus cosine S square. Sine of S minus B over 4, we change for this one. So the square root of number 2 multiplied by this one and this one. So you got about number 2 in here. You got number 2 in here. 2 divided by 2, they will cancel. This one is about identity. We can put into sine S plus cosine S, everything to the power of 2. Next, we have A square plus A2AB plus B square, and this is another identity in here. So we can put like this. That's about sine S plus cosine S plus 1, everything to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine S plus cosine S. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, you got about du equal to cosine S minus sine S ds. We know that this is about sine S minus cosine S. This one is about cosine S minus sine S. We want to create like this. So we need to multiply by negative number 1 for the both sides. And you got about sine S minus cosine S ds. So this one we change for u. This one in here we change for negative du. The integration of this one, you got about 1 over u plus 1, and we put about c. About u, that's about sine S cosine S. This is the end. Thank you for watching.